Hello, this is Pooja PS. I am pursuing BE in Information Science at Channabisveshwara Institute of Technology. Today I am going to teach about counting the leaf nodes in a binary tree. So here I am considering a simple example. So this is the simple tree that I am considering here. Here 1 is the root node, 2 and 3 are the child nodes of 1 and 4 and 5 are the child nodes of 2. So in order to, if we count the number of leaf nodes in this tree, the count will be 3. That is 4, 5 and 3 are the child nodes here. That is leaf nodes. So the count will be 3. So in order to count the number of leaf nodes, we are following this algorithm. That is get leaf count of the node. Here the first step is we are checking if the node is null. If it is null, we are returning 0. Else if it is not null, we are checking another condition, that is if the left and right child nodes are null. If they are null, then we are returning 1. Else if they are not null, then we are recursively calculating the leaf count of the tree using this formula, that is leaf count of a tree is equal to leaf count of left subtree plus leaf count of the right subtree. So when we calculate, we will get the leaf count of a tree. Now coming to the C++ code. So this is the code. Here we are creating a binary tree. This is the structure that has the node that stores the data. Here this is the data field that stores the data, and a pointer to the left child and a pointer to the right child we are creating here. Now this is the get leaf count. This is the method that we are using to get the leaf counts of a binary tree. Here we follow the algorithm that I said you in the earlier. That is, we are checking if the node is null. If it is null, we are returning 0. We are checking the left and right child. If it is null, we are returning 1. Else we are returning the get leaf count of node of left plus get leaf count of node of right. This is nothing but it counts the leaf nodes that are present in the left subtree and the leaf nodes that are present in the right subtree. Then we will get the count of the leaf nodes. So this is the function that gives us so this is the function that we are using to create the nodes. That is, it allocates the new node with the given data and it allocates the null value to the left and right pointers. Now this is the main code, that is the driver code of the program. Here we are creating a binary tree. That is, this is the root node and these 2 are the child nodes of 1 and 4 and 5 are the child nodes of 2. Here in this code we can see that. So now this is nothing but we are getting the leaf count. That is, we are printing the leaf count of binary tree is we are calling the function get leaf count of root. So it will go to this function and it will execute this function and it will calculate the number of leaf nodes that is present in the tree. So here, as we considered this tree as an example here, so the number of leaf node, that is the count, will be 3. So we will be getting the output 3 here. The leaf count of binary tree is 3. Thank you.